Gallimore from Heidel at 45.87, and Jabari Matheson from William Nib at 45.90.
But Robinson is also from Jamaica College at 46.5 seconds, somewhere there. So it's going to be very, very competitive.
You know, viewers and listeners, Maurice Wilson is something else. You know, he said 46.5 or somewhere there. It is exactly 46. You know, Maurice Wilson quoting the stats. But yes, we'll be seeing Omari in heat number 5, but up now would be heat number 4 of the Class 1 boys 400 meters. And we're going to get a glance at some of the athletes. Way outside in lane 8 is Milton Pinedo. He is from Greater Portmore. We're not getting the introductions yet, but for the listeners and viewers, I'll just give you the names. In lane 7 will be Joshua Wint of William Nib, Jordan Fitzgerald, Papine High. Then the favorite for this heat, Paul Henry from Fogar Road High. Fogar Road used to be really famous for those 4'8" athletes.
Right.
And then Jeon Salmon, Monroe College, will be in 4. Temani Stewart of Oberlin will be in 3. And Jaheim Thompson of Clancarty in lane 2. Oh, we're getting the introduction. Sorry about that, Spencer.
Milton Pinedo, Greater Portmore. That's Jordan Fitzgerald of Papine. That is Paul Henry of Fogar Road, the favorite, in lane 5. Then we go to Jeon Salmon, Monroe in lane 4. Temani Stewart from Oberlin runs out of lane 3. And in lane 2, it's Jaheim Thompson from Clancarty. Heat 4 of 8, Class 1 boys, 400 meters, called to their marks.
So watch lane 5, Paul Henry has done a smart 46.23 seconds so far this year.
That's his personal best as well, done at the Carifta Trials. Ranked 4th in the event coming into champs. That's Paul Henry, your favorite, in lane 5 from Fogar Road, out of Clarendon.
Set.
Off and running now. And we look to Paul Henry of Fogar Road in lane 5. And already he has gone to work as they head down the backstretch. He has got Jeon Salmon of Monroe traveling with him. But Paul Henry of Fogar Road for sure, setting the tempo at the moment and in command. Widest of all, we have got Joshua Wint of William Nib, trying to move like a scared hare out there in lane number 7. But Paul Henry of Fogar Road glides off the curve into the straightaway now. And on his outside from William Nib, Joshua Wint is trying to stay with them. So too Jordan Fitzgerald of Papine. But Paul Henry of Fogar Road gets there ahead of Joshua Wint of William Nib. The winning time for Paul Henry, 47.90 seconds. Wint is second in 48.63.
Again, Bruce, the 47s have been a